You have to be delusional with your goals. People confuse realism with safety. Point number 1, why people will call you delusional. People around you are going to project their own fears onto you. They're going to say, be realistic, don't take risks. You're going to choose the uncertainty of achieving your dreams. If people don't think you're a little bit crazy, your dream isn't big enough. Point number 2, delusion is not ignorance. Being delusional does not mean you're ignoring reality itself. It means believing in the future you more than the current you. You're acting before the evidence even shows up. You're still going to work every day, improve your skills, learn from your failures. Delusion is going to be the fuel. Discipline is the engine. When I had the idea of becoming a music producer, I wasn't blind to reality. I just refused to let it define my future. Point 3, when I started, I dropped out of college. I lost my job. I had court issues. Life looked chaotic from the outside, but internally, I knew music was the way out. I believed before results existed. People around me thought it was risky, thought it was unrealistic. Fast forward, and now I have millions of streams from music that I produced. The proof did not come first, the belief in myself did. My life looked like it was falling apart, but in my head, I was already winning. No artist starts with fans, money, validation, or having a record label right behind them. Every artist has to post when nobody cares. They have to create when nobody is watching. If you wait for confidence or permission, you'll never start. Delusion is what's going to keep you going when the results are delayed. You don't become confident and then start. You start and confidence shows up later. How to use delusion the right way. If you're an artist and you feel stuck, doubted, or if you feel like you're not getting results yet in your career, but that's exactly where everybody starts. I built the artist playbook for this phase in your career. It's going to give you mindset, structure, and execution. The link will be in the description when you're ready. You're going to decide who you want to be. You're going to act like it's going to happen no matter what. You're going to show up daily and do the work. You're going to treat it like it's your career before even $1 shows up. You're going to let people doubt you. Doubt is normal. It's better to be silent than trying to convince everybody about your dreams. You're going to stack small wins every single day. You're going to post one beat. You're going to post one song. You're going to be consistent on posting online and showing people your work.